first video, I stated that if you want to lose weight, there are sacrifices you must make. And no matter which tea you drink, it's not magic like that. You need to put in effort, but then it helps speed up the process. Do you get it? And these teas I'm recommending to you guys, Charlie, it speeds up the process for you. Do you get it? So imagine if you are putting in effort. Imagine if you are working out or not, and you are just even eating healthy. Dear, it's gonna work wonders for you. It's gonna do magic. Trust me on that. I said so. So guys, for both teas, I'll advise that you try and eat as healthy as possible, please. You don't want to be eating after 6 p.m. These things, like the teas and stuff like that, it works differently on everyone because we have different body types, and with some people they might achieve so much, others too the difference might not be so much. So you don't have to beat yourself when you see people's progress and it's like they've taken the same thing that you've taken, but then you are not seeing. So yes guys, that's just about it. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. You should subscribe, like this video, comment, share to your friends so that we grow this channel.